Austin Air Company presents Complaint. Case number 11-16-2017. AC not working. Customer believes it may be a compressor problem. Serving the Katy, Texas area. 832-475-6895.
No fan. That's a problem.
As you'll see in the upcoming video, the reasons why we replaced this motor, it's just not worth messing around with it. It's another permanently lubed, permanently sealed motor.
Oil leak from the permanently sealed bearings. As you see, there's no oil port anywhere around the motor, so the motor's no good. Even though it spins, it's not worth trying to work on it. You're better off getting a new motor. You can see there's been some oil seepage over the years. This thing's probably at least 15 years old, if not older. So, new motor.
Here I'm checking the furnace to make sure that furnace is firing off, because while it is hot on this day, it's not but a few days later and it gets chilly. And so the last thing I want to do is, make a repair to the furnace, and then not check it out fully to make sure that everything else is operational. So that's something that you got to always think about.
Yeah, furnace working. There you have it. Back up and running. And we'll go out and check the AC. Make sure that it's working. Yeah, so here we are in November 16th, and I'm running an AC call. Turned out to be the blower motor on the indoor unit. I changed this unit, did a conversion on this unit here. It looks like 2013, so this unit's about 4 years old, going on 5. It'll be 5 years, I think, in another 4 or 5 months. So anyways, we got this guy back online, and he's cooling once again. And just to understand this, he thought it was the compressor. So this goes to show you that self-diagnosis is not the way to do it. Anyways, just thought I'd shoot a little video on a repair job. Thanks for watching. For Austin Air Company, my name's Ray Austin. I hope you have a comfortable day. And thank you for watching.
Katy.